I need to put feet on the underside of some cutting boards I'm making, but since this is my first time making cutting boards, I don't really know what I need. Doing a Google search, I found there are many different types of feet to put on cutting boards. Next, on Amazon, there was many different price ranges, some even around the $100 mark, for feet on a cutting board. I figured, how hard can this be? I don't know if this is a good thing or not, but to put feet on, I took some rubber with special glue and glued them on the bottoms. I don't know how long you were supposed to let those sit to dry, but it was at the end of the day, so I'd let them sit overnight. Again, just making this up as I go. If you know what you should use as feet on cutting boards, please leave it in a comment below. I would definitely love to hear it.